Why guess when you can know? Do you trust experience or do you prefer trial and error? Many people hesitate to seek consultants, thinking, I can figure it out myself. But here's the reality. Every mistake costs you time, money, and energy. Consulting is not about replacing your intelligence. It is about leveraging experience so you can make better decisions, faster. A consultant provides clarity where confusion exists, structure where there is disorder, and strategy where there is uncertainty. Yet some see consulting as an unnecessary expense. They believe, why pay for advice when I can learn on my own? But the real question is, how much will it cost you not to seek expert guidance? Successful businesses don't guess, they consult. They don't waste time making mistakes they could have avoided. They seek expertise. If you are building something important, a business, a career, a life, you have two choices. Spend years struggling, making avoidable mistakes, and learning through losses. Or get expert guidance, avoid pitfalls, and succeed with less stress, less waste, and more certainty. The choice is yours. Consulting is not a luxury. It is the difference between struggling and thriving. P.S. Consultants are experts in business, strategy, finance, technology, operations, marketing, and leadership. They bring years of experience and knowledge to help individuals and businesses make the right moves. Seek them out and accelerate your endeavors. It's all part of the growth process. Will you take it?